We're just going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. The link to the person who came up with the recipe will be in the description. We're going to need a bowl. So I used 1 teaspoon since that was equivalent to 2 cloves of garlic. I used 3 teaspoons of paprika. I used 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I added a pinch of salt. And I didn't have a lemon, so I just used this lime juice I had. Mix it all together pretty well. And then here I just decided to brush the chicken. Also, make sure you brush the back. Pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And the last 5 minutes I broiled it just so the skin would be crispier. Alright, and we're done. Enjoy, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe.